Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 7 motorcycles that owners often get rid of within the first year. Number 7. Indian Chief. The Indian Chief is a big cruiser that definitely turns heads, yet many owners end up selling it before the first year is over. With a price hovering around $22,000, it requires a significant upfront investment for a motorcycle that struggles when it comes to practicality. Its large size makes it feel heavy and awkward, especially in city traffic or tight parking areas, which can quickly frustrate riders who expected something more manageable. Beneath the styling, the Chief is powered by a strong 111 cubic inch engine that delivers solid torque and acceleration. However, the engine's size also brings higher fuel consumption and adds to the overall weight, making low-speed maneuvering difficult. Some owners also mention issues with electronic features that don't always work as smoothly as expected. From infotainment to ride modes, the bike feels great on highways, but daily usability is limited. The long wheelbase and heavy frame can become tiring on longer rides without ideal seating adjustments. When you combine the high cost, heavy weight, and difficult handling in everyday situations, resale often happens quickly. While riders focused on style may still appreciate it, the reality of owning the Chief in 2026 pushes many to move on sooner than planned. Number 6. Harley-Davidson Nightster. The Harley-Davidson Nightster draws attention with its stripped-down, aggressive appearance, but many owners sell it within the first year. Priced at roughly $13,500, it falls into the mid-range category, yet the value often doesn't meet expectations for daily riding. Its compact design and low seat height look appealing, but performance can feel underwhelming compared to what the name suggests. Power comes from the Revolution Max 975 Trillions engine, which works fine in city conditions but struggles on longer highway rides, especially with luggage or a passenger. Handling feels nimble at low speeds, though the suspension can be stiff on rough roads, and the small fuel tank limits how far you can go between fill-ups. Practical issues become obvious quickly. Storage is minimal due to the minimalist design, and electronic features are basic when compared to competitors. Insurance costs are slightly higher because of the brand and performance, adding to first-year expenses. While some riders love the Nightster's edgy style, for most, the combination of weak highway performance and ongoing costs leads to an early sale. In 2026, the Nightster still looks striking, but its daily usability shortcomings cause many owners to part ways sooner than expected. Number 5. Yamaha Bolt. Marketed as a compact and affordable cruiser at around $9,500, the Yamaha Bolt is frequently sold within the first year. Its low seat height and straightforward styling make it beginner-friendly, but its limitations show quickly. The small engine and lightweight chassis feel restrictive, especially on highways where the 59 cubic inch engine struggles to maintain speed comfortably. Passing other vehicles can feel slow, leaving riders dissatisfied after a short time. The suspension setup is basic, which works on smooth city roads but becomes harsh on rough surfaces, making longer trips uncomfortable. Fuel capacity is small, leading to frequent stops on rides beyond 30 miles, and seat comfort is limited for extended use. Many owners end up spending extra on cosmetic changes and aftermarket upgrades to suit their preferences, adding unexpected costs. In 2026, riders hoping for a versatile cruiser often find the Bolt underpowered and too small for their needs. Insurance costs are reasonable, but still add to expenses given the modest performance. Despite its price and styling, these practical issues push many owners to sell early. The Yamaha Bolt's appeal fades quickly, making it a bike most riders part with in the first year. Number 4. BMW R18. The BMW R18 stands out thanks to its massive size and classic heritage design, but many owners sell it within the first year. With a price near $21,000, it represents a major investment for a cruiser that isn't always easy to live with. Its long wheelbase and heavy weight make city riding awkward, and maneuvering or parking in tight spaces can become frustrating fast. The 18 Rans is powered by a 1,800cc boxer engine that delivers strong torque and a deep, satisfying exhaust sound. While it shines on open roads, its weight makes low-speed handling feel slow and cumbersome. Fuel consumption is higher than average, and routine maintenance, including specialized BMW servicing, can cost thousands each year. Comfort on long rides is acceptable, but the heavy frame and limited storage reduce enjoyment on weekend trips. Insurance rates are also above average due to the bike's value and performance. All of these factors cause many riders to rethink ownership within months. In 2026, The BMW R18 still looks impressive, but its size, cost, and practicality issues lead many owners to sell within the first year. Number 3. Triumph Bonneville Bobber. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber is visually striking and priced around $12,000, yet many owners move on from it within the first year. Its minimalist styling and solo seat make a strong first impression, but real-world practicality takes a hit. The low seat height and rigid design may seem appealing initially, but comfort quickly becomes an issue on longer rides. It handles city riding fairly well, though the balance between style and everyday usability often falls short for commuting or weekend trips. The 1,200 cc parallel twin engine provides respectable power, but performance can feel uneven at lower speeds. Acceleration is enjoyable on open roads, but the stiff suspension leads to a rough ride over potholes and uneven pavement. Fuel range is limited, and many owners feel forced to add aftermarket parts to improve comfort, increasing costs. Insurance premiums are higher than average, and maintenance through Triumph certified service can be expensive. Some riders also find the weight distribution makes slow-speed handling tricky. In 2026, the Bonneville Bobber looks great, but its comfort and practicality limitations lead many owners to sell within the first year. Number 2. Indian FTR. Designed as a performance-focused street tracker and priced around $13,500, the Indian FTR often ends up being sold within the first year. Its aggressive design and sporty stance draw attention, but everyday riding doesn't always match expectations. The upright seating position and narrow handlebars can become uncomfortable on longer rides, while city traffic highlights the firm suspension, making short trips tiring. Powered by a 1,200 cc V-twin engine, the FTR delivers strong torque and quick acceleration, but the power can feel overwhelming for less experienced riders. Fuel consumption is higher than expected, and maintenance costs add up quickly for a premium motorcycle. Insurance rates are also above average, increasing ownership costs early on. Although the FTR looks great and excels on short, spirited rides, comfort issues and ongoing expenses cause many riders to sell. In 2026, the Indian FTR remains eye-catching, but its usability and cost challenges lead to a high first-year resale rate. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Road Glide. The Harley-Davidson Road Glide is a touring bike priced around $24,000, yet many owners sell it within the first year. Its frame-mounted fairing and highway-oriented design promise comfort, but daily riding often feels bulky and inconvenient. Navigating city traffic or tight spaces quickly exposes its weight, and parking requires extra effort, frustrating riders expecting versatility. The Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch engine delivers smooth, powerful performance on highways, but low-speed handling suffers due to the bike's size. Fuel efficiency is average, leading to more stops than some expect. Maintenance and servicing costs are high, pushing first-year ownership expenses upward. While long-distance comfort works well for some, everyday practicality remains limited. Storage is generous, but insurance rates are elevated because of the bike's value and engine size. In 2026, the Road Glide excels on open roads, but its size, cost, and daily usability issues cause many owners to sell within the first year. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content.